This is a quick test run on ratios, and let's actually try to spell this so it looks like the word ratios. Um, so ratios are pretty interesting, and all a ratio is really it's a comparison between two things. And the classic example that they always give in school is they write these three, and they'll say what this really means is the ratio of A to B, and that's a colon. And then they say A over B as a fraction, and the words A to B. There is one little caveat, and the one little caveat is that um, B cannot equal 0. And the reason why is because B is in the denominator. So obviously you can't have a number divided by 0. Um, so like I said, it's the comparison between two things. And to give you an example, if we had in your class a comparison of boys to girls, you might say it's in the ratio of 3 to 5. Now, what that means is for every 3 boys, you have 5 girls. So let's say in class, in total, there were 40 kids. So 40 students. And you need to determine how many of those students are boys and how many are girls. Well, you could say, well, you can guess and check and say, well, if I multiply 3 times 10, that'd be 30, plus 5 times 10 is 15, that'd be 80. Well, so that has to be, that's actually pretty good. But that's not going to work. So what I do is I say, well, the total students is going to be out of 8. And the way I get that is 3 plus 5 equals 8. So I'm going to say 3 out of 8 equals the boys. If you multiply that by 40, and then you take 5 over 8 times 40, what happens is 8 cancels out with that, and then becomes a 5. You get 3 times 5, which is 15. That becomes a 5. You get 25. What's 15 plus 25? 40, which means there are 15 boys and 25 girls. And that's kind of the way it works. Let's see.